A very good morning to everyone. It is impossible for us to speak about climate change or global warming after Professor Flannery and Dr. Mishra. Thank you so much. We have our views on adapting the changing climate, looking at climate-friendly transport system.
As we are all aware of climate change, global warming, their causes and their effects, and as we now come on to transport, we can say that it is the lifeline of our economy. And we wish to propose some solutions as to what we can think can fulfill the purpose of transport as well as the cause for the environment.
To come down straight, when we park our cars or scooters, coming down to car parking more, we pay rupees 10. In some places for 2 hours you pay rupees 10. In other places you have to pay rupees 10 for the entire day. Whereas we think it is better that we promote, develop and maintain public transport system. And this can be done by increasing the parking fee in these lots. If somebody has to pay rupees 300 for 2 hours, certainly most of the people will not carry their own vehicles but prefer to use public transport. So this could be one of the solutions. We have seen in many of the Western countries they charge more parking fee, and this system is working. Then we expect it to work in India as well. There could be one day in a week where there should be no to private vehicles. It could be a Sunday where you don't have to go to office. Thereby you are compelled to use the public transport. Now when we are using these techniques and we are applying these methods in a more innovative, productive way, of course keeping in mind the requirements of the people in the particular area, what happens, we increase the public transport system drastically when people are made to use public transport system. Today, public transport system is used by somebody who cannot afford to take his own vehicle. Whereas, in these cases, all of us, whether you come from the have class or the have not class, have to use and abide by the system of public transport. The other point that we wish to make is that luxury cars have to pay one lump sum amount as road tax. Now these luxury cars work for 10 years at a stretch, 15 years at a stretch and so on. These luxury cars should be made to pay road tax every year, and road tax can be evolved and checked every year as per what the requirements are. The reason being that when you are using a luxury car, you are polluting the environment, then you have to pay for it too. Why should somebody living in a slum pay for the luxury that you enjoy in your life? Then we wish to propose that government should subsidize and encourage renewable sources of energy. This can be done by probably reducing the service tax or the other taxes on vehicles which are powered by electricity or other biofuels. Then farmers who are rearing biofuels or crops that can produce biofuels should be encouraged, should be given certain incentives so that the process can go on.
Hereby we propose that instead of putting vertical stone slabs on the dividers, we can put the shrubs so that they fulfill the purpose of vertical slabs as well as reducing the pollution. We should create awareness about energy efficiency. For example, all of us should preferably drive at a speed of about 40 to 50 kilometers. That it gives more of fuel efficiency and less of pollution. We are sure that traffic police can help us in retaining that, the initiating standards. Another example we take is that of the metros. We need to encourage the ventures like metros in all major cities in India. Public-private partnerships should be initiated and will surely lend a hand in achieving its purpose in time and terms of cost cutting as well.
Well, you might think I'm more on taxation, but certainly when you are provoking the environment or degenerating the environment, you have to pay the cost for it. So I propose again that people who are using charter planes, who are using helicopters instead of the general airlines, should pay more taxes, so that the reduction or the ill effects of their luxury can be redeemed, and we can improve our environment. We have to improve the quality of our roads too, because if we don't, we are actually misusing our fuel, and the fuel efficiency is reduced drastically. So improvement in roads and other things are important, no doubt. We hope we all are here, we are all young people, we can propose new things, new innovative ideas, and hope they work. And our seniors, our bureaucrats listen to us. Something can be put down. Climate is a gift given to us. Let's respect it, adore it, and sustain it. Thank you so much.